Are you looking for precise and stable temperature control to plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius, but in the smallest possible form factor? This is exactly what our customer in the life science industry required, and had resolved to design and develop their own solution at the cost of significant time and financial investment, which threatened to cancel the project entirely until they were introduced to SMC's HEF thermo-con. Analytical equipment and instrumentation generally require an extremely compact design, which provides portability and minimal machine volume where space is at a premium. In addition to this, you want your temperature controller to deliver the same big performance found in its larger counterparts and aren't willing to compromise on precision or accuracy. If you're looking to reduce the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius in less than a minute, lower the noise generated to as little as 37 decibels, communicate and operate your temperature controller via serial comms, then check out the HEF series thermo-con. So, if you require high-performance compact chillers, speak to me today. For the latest trends in automation, follow us on LinkedIn.